There are two permissions in Android. If you approve them for the wrong app, the app could literally control your phone, see everything you see, and even control your phone in the background, send things from it, receive things on it, to the point that it could lock your phone. And the most dangerous part? These two permissions do not always look dangerous to the average user. Their names are overlay and accessibility. Stay with me until the end, because at the end of the video, I will tell you what to do if you find a strange app on your phone that has these permissions. The first permission, overlay. You may find it under the name display over other apps, or appear on top. Simply, this permission allows the app to appear on top of any other app on the phone. It means an app can place a small window, a button, or a screen on top of WhatsApp, on top of the browser, on top of your banking app, on top of anything. This does not mean it is always an evil permission. Some normal apps need it, like Messenger chat bubbles, some screen recording apps, or night filter apps. But the problem starts when an app has no logical reason to ask for it. For example, a flashlight app, wallpapers app, phone cleaner, battery status app, or a simple video player asks to appear over other apps. Here you must stop, because the app could show you a fake screen on top of a real screen. For example, it could show you a login button, a confirmation message, or a window that looks like a system window, and you press it thinking it belongs to the original app. It can also see what you're doing and typing on your phone too. The second permission, and this one is more dangerous, accessibility. You will find it under the name accessibility, or accessibility service, or installed services. This permission was originally made to help people who have difficulty using the phone, meaning an app can help the user read the screen, enlarge text, speak text out loud, or perform commands on behalf of the user. But if the wrong app gets this permission, the situation becomes very sensitive, because the app may be able to see text displayed on the screen, know which app you have open, press buttons on your behalf, scroll the screen, approve certain pop-ups, or interact with elements on the screen. That is why accessibility is more dangerous than overlay. Overlay appears on top of apps. Accessibility can interact with what is happening inside the screen. And the real disaster is when both permissions come together. Follow these steps with me to check your phone. First, review the accessibility permission. Open Settings. Scroll down to Accessibility. Go to Installed Apps or Installed Services. You will see the apps that can use accessibility services. Any app you do not recognize or does not need this feature, turn it off immediately. If a strange app appears and you do not understand what it does, do not enable it. And if you install the app from an APK file or from a link outside the Play Store, and the phone asks you to allow restricted settings, be very careful. This message means Android sees that the app is asking for a sensitive setting. Do not press it unless the app is 100% trusted and you know its source. Second, review the overlay permission. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Look for Special App Access from the three dots at the top of the page. Go to Display over other apps or appear on top. Review the list. Any strange app or any app that has no reason to appear over other apps, turn this permission off for it. Third, turn on Play Protect. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture at the top. Go to Play Protect. Run a scan. If you install apps from outside the store, you need to be more careful because most of the danger starts from an app that came to you through a link, an APK file, or a message telling you to download this app to win something, receive a shipment, or see an important message. In the end, review these two permissions on your phone now, because an old app on your phone may have had one of these permissions for a long time, and you forgot about it. And if this video helped you, hit like so it reaches more people, and subscribe to the channel, because small settings like these can sometimes protect you from very big problems. And the most important question for you now is, when you checked your phone, how many apps did you find that had these two permissions? And if there are none, write to me. See you in the next video.